In this video, we're going to show you how to scan your physical photos and bring them into the digital workspace. Whether you prefer the convenience of auto scan or the control of manual scan, we'll cover everything you need to know to get high-quality results every time. Before we get started, if you haven't set up or calibrated your scanner yet, check out the Quick Start video where we go over installation, calibration, and cleaning. Scanning in PictureStudio is simple. There are two ways to bring images into the app: physically scanning printed photos or importing digital images from your computer. We covered importing in the previous video, so in this video, we're focusing on scanning. Before you scan, it's a good idea to check a few settings to make sure everything is set up the way you want. To access scanning options, click the gear icon next to the Scan button in the left panel. This opens a menu where you can adjust settings to match your needs. Let's go through them. Scan destination. This setting determines where your scanned images will be placed within the PictureStudio application. You can choose to store them in the inbox or assign them directly to an album. Resolution. This determines the quality of your scan. Use 300 dpi for everyday scanning or 600 dpi for high-resolution images. Color mode. Decide whether you want your scan in full color or grayscale. D-streak. If you have an old or damaged photo, this setting helps remove vertical streaks. Batch tagging. This makes it easy to add details like location, date, and notes to multiple images at once. Two-sided scanning. If you need to scan both sides of a photo, turn this on before scanning. Carrier sheet mode. This mode is helpful for scanning delicate or irregularly shaped images to ensure they scan correctly. You can also find these settings in the Settings menu, which we covered in the previous video. It may also be important to know where your files are stored physically on your computer. On a PC, scanned images are saved under the folder C:/users/your username/pictures/PictureStudio. If an image remains in the inbox, it will be stored in a subfolder named Inbox. If it has been moved into an album, it will be stored in a folder matching the album's name, such as Kids or Travel. On a Mac, scanned images are stored in /pictures/PictureStudio. Images in the inbox are placed in the Inbox subfolder, while images assigned to an album are saved in a folder with the album's name, such as Kids or Travel. If you have a large batch of photos to scan, Auto-scan can save you time by detecting and scanning each image automatically. To turn this on, open Settings from the side menu, scroll to Scanner Settings and toggle Auto-scan on. Close Settings and return to the inbox. You can also toggle this feature on and off on the global header. Now, as soon as you place a photo in the scanner, PictureStudio will scan it right away without needing to press any buttons. This feature is great for scanning a stack of images quickly.